Let's clean up the sides of these wax melt containers. So just grab a fresh tissue. Tissues work better than paper towels in this case. Okay, and let's look at this one. It's been overfilled a bit too much, so the wax has come along the side of the container here and it's spilled into the crack. So let's start here. So pull back the lid of the container and wipe off like that. See how clean that came off? Just so good. So just do that a few times, getting in each. See how there was some here, here, and here. So we get in each spot, and then along here as well. Scrape that off. Just put a bit of pressure and slide it along. And I'm going to do it the other way as well. Just taking my fingernail, applying pressure, and sliding along. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little bit to move, but that's just the process that you do. And I'm kind of folding over the tissue and using a clean spot each time, so I'm not just smearing wax around. You can see there, there, there. Okay. Now along the side here, what you want to do is you can either just take your fingernail and scrape along, just along the side like that, and just have a piece of paper towel or something down here so you have something to scrape along to. Just always using a clean part of your tissue to wipe up with. I like tissues rather than paper towels because they're kind of more pliable, and you can move them a lot more. So here how it is on the edge there again, I'm just taking my fingernail, scraping along there. And cleaning it up like that. And let's check this side here. We're okay. Okay. And here we've got some. And continuing along. Just like this. Good. And then wiping it off. And I might need to do along here again. Just my thumbnail. There. And if you don't want to use your thumbs, or you don't have thumbnails or something like that, just use a knife. Or if you have a lovely manicure, which I do not, then you can just use a knife or something, or a little scraper tool. You can kind of use whatever works for you. This is just how I do it. And then it is cleaned up and ready to go. And then you simply close it. And then label it, which we will get to.